I have someone coming from Facebook Marketplace. This literally isn't even all of them. Look at my mess from last night. I don't know why, but I couldn't sleep last night. Like, probably because I fucking had a Celsius. Oh, we were waking up at 1:30 p.m. yesterday. Like, what's wrong with me? So yesterday night, I got back up and I just started watching YouTube videos. And then I came out here and started eating croissants and apples. But good morning. Welcome to another day. I swear I lose everything in this goddamn house. It's raining again today. I would love to go outside and go on a walk, but it is raining. Oh my god, I just spent like an hour at the computer because I was editing this video, like looking over it and everything because I was gonna post it, but I just hate it. So we're not gonna be posting a video today. Oopsies. If you guys are curious as to why I have been lacking uploads, because sometimes I just don't like my videos. So I'm gonna make some eggs and matcha. Ugh, are you fucking for real with me right now? Part of me wants to go out to eat, but I'm like, bitch, don't do that. POV, you're me cooking. Okay, how I make good eggs is while it's cooking and it's like low-key just cooking underneath, you kind of want to fold it in because you can see that the eggs create folds like this. And while it's doing that, you can spread more egg around. This is just how I make like fluffy scrambled eggs. But you want to make sure you always cook it on super low heat. I know for a fact that y'all did not come here for an egg tutorial, but it's just what you're gonna get. Fresh eggs. And I don't know where I heard this. I don't know if it's true, but I've just been following it. I don't salt or pepper my eggs until after they're done cooking. I think it's just something about like how it doesn't even like flavor the eggs. I don't know. A little bit of soy sauce. Ugh, I just had this thought. I need to start a podcast because I've been making YouTube videos and sometimes I just don't want to post it because I think it's just so boring because all I do is talk. But it's like, there's so many things that I want to talk about right now that I just can't because it's just too much for a vlog. Should I start a podcast? Ugh, I'm feeling so unmotivated right now. I don't know why. I think after watching that one vlog and I was like, I don't really like it. It just made me be like, all my videos are trash. But I know it's just me being insecure. You're insecure. You're insecure. Just got back from Walgreens, CVS, or whatever it's called. I feel like 90% of my videos are filmed in this kitchen, and I'm not mad about it. We got the essentials: sugar and baking soda to make chocolate chip cookies, because I tried yesterday night and it didn't work. And Lucky Charms just because I want Lucky Charms. I definitely should be productive right now, but I just don't want to be. Please tell me why I go on TikTok and there's somebody, one of you guys that bought my hoodie did like an unboxing reaction of it, and the way she's describing this hoodie right now, I'm like, you guys, today's the first day that you guys have got them, so like it's my first time seeing you guys like put on my hoodie that I worked so hard on. I love you. She just did a review of like how this hoodie is. She's like being like, oh my god, look at the details and stuff. And I'm like, wait, she understands what I've been talking about this whole time. It is so cool to be able to see you guys like actually get to feel a physical product of something that I've like talked endlessly about, and like be able to understand what I've been vouching for and being able to be like, yeah, wait, now I know what she's talking about. Like, this is the best feeling ever. This is so cool. This is actually so cool seeing you guys actually put on something that I put my life into. It's like I'm on FaceTime with you. Is my mic on? Oh, it is. Why am I out of breath? All of a sudden I put the camera on, I'm nervous. Multitasking, I think I've done this before. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I feel like that was like the start of a talk show. Like, you know when like the news reporter's like, ah, and she goes, hi everyone. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Anyways, this is so nerve-wracking because I have like a live audience right now. And it's like every mess up that I say, they are seeing live. And by live audience, I literally mean the spam account. If you were wondering, if I like look over here as if it's like my mom. Basically, today I'm gonna be getting ready to go nowhere. I would love to say that I'm getting ready, you know, to go out, to go to the club, to go on a fancy little date, but no. Time is currently 9:51 and I have nowhere to be. And the worst thing about it is the fact that I did nothing all day, okay? Like, I woke up and I was like, it's gonna be such a productive day. The night before yesterday, I decide, let's not set an alarm and let myself sleep in. Like, the blinds are closed in my room, and I wake up probably about 5 times throughout the night. And I'm like, I'm just gonna sleep a little longer. Tell me why I look at the clock and it's literally 1:30 p.m. And I'm like, let me get a Celsius to drink to get some energy. Even though I didn't realize that me doing that would keep me up at night all I did not just rub in my concealer with my hands. I meant to rub in the Charlotte Tilbury. Y'all, this is not off to a good start right now. So yeah, I didn't end up going to sleep until basically 3 a.m. last night is the point that I'm trying to get at. But then this morning I woke up and I thought it was gonna be such a productive day, but I literally sat at my desk. Not me realizing I've done that 2 days in a row now. Okay, I just got a question from the spam account on live and they just said, how did you get adulting down when you grew up so quickly? And I think she meant like, how did I find my way into like adulting? Does that make sense? And actually I was talking about it the other day with somebody. It's so crazy how now I know how to cook whole meals for myself and, you know, go grocery shopping and pay my bills and know how to call my credit card company and do all that stuff, when even just the simplest thing, when I first moved out, I literally ordered Uber Eats or like the Canadian version, like skip the dishes every single day, because I did not know how to make food. I also had no furniture in my apartment. Like, I just want to say that because I want you guys to realize that I didn't always have the adulting thing down and moving wasn't always this easy or luxurious. But I think that over the years, after just experiencing it so many times and actually having to like live through it, you slowly like learn these things and you pick up on it and you just become like a little bit better at it every single day. Like all these skills that I have when it comes to adulting, even down to like the simplest things of like knowing how to use my washer and dryer, all the way to like moving, I guess. Like in my first apartment, I literally flooded it because I didn't know how to use my washer and dryer. And to this day, literally like a month ago, I accidentally flooded my apartment again, low-key, because I left the sink on. So if you're moving out for the first time or just trying to figure out life, don't be mad at yourself for not knowing everything and running into a lot of problems, because trust me, you're never gonna stop running out of problems. You'll just have different problems to start solving. Good morning. Today is the first day that I actually get furniture in this house, which I'm so excited for because I feel like it's like legit moving vlogs now. Like these are getting exciting, but I actually also, yes, I have my makeup on from yesterday night. Let's not talk about that.
That's gross.
But I finally sat my ass down on my computer for literally a full entire day and just figured out the entire aesthetic of my apartment and just buying furniture and scheduling deliveries and everything like that. So safe to say that was a very expensive day, but it had to be done. So I have someone coming from Facebook Marketplace, y'all already know, at 12 o'clock, and I think right now it's about like 11:15, so I have to go to a bunch of different ATMs and pull out cash because they only take cash. But I also have a new rug because this rug is not, let me just show you guys. This rug is not big enough for my space. Like it worked for the last space, but it just seems oddly small here. So I got a bigger rug that should take up more area. And also we have so many packages that we need to unbox today, which I've just been putting off. This literally isn't even all of them. So a lot to do today. It's gonna be a productive little moving vlog.
You know how to pose? I swear he's a model.
So I didn't want to do a ginger shot, but here we are now. Cheers. Cheers. Hello? Yeah, there's a delivery today, right? Oh, nice. Beautiful. Okay, perfect timing. Both deliveries came at once, but right now I have the coffee table, but I accidentally shipped the rug to my old apartment, so I'm gonna have to return that and go get a new one. But the couch is gonna go here. I just gotta move some things first. If you guys want to see for size comparison, this couch was actually so small. Like, but people didn't really even sit on it. And this is literally just one of the pieces of the new couch compared to this. Oh my gosh. This looks so good already. I'm so excited to see it, guys. This thing literally had like, I think 0 reviews, and it didn't even show the dimensions of it or anything like that. Like, I really just went on a whim because I thought it was pretty, and it shipped like next day. Whoa, this is literally one of the pieces makes up like half of the couch. Wow. All right, this is what the living room is looking like right now. I'm thinking, since this is patio furniture that I have originally, but it's just like cold and wet outside so that we get no use, I'm just gonna put it into the like TV room right now, because I'm planning on getting like an even comfier couch, like a big fluffy like couch. Imagine like one of those worn-in couches, so that whenever I want to watch TV and I want it to be like a cozy vibe, I can just come in here. But for now, I'm just gonna put the old rug and the old couch in here, and then during the summer, I'll move that upstairs to the patio, like the rooftop. Oh my gosh, this is a huge couch compared to my last one. Do you guys see the difference? Old couch, new couch. Whoa, it looks so weird without a rug, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it just looks so out of place, but it's coming soon. All right guys, let's unwrap it. All right, right, this is what it looks like right now. Off first bat, I think that this fits the space very well, like size-wise. And what's so good is that I left the extension at the end because I can always get another one and just add it on because these are separate pieces. But I kind of wanted to go for like the armless type look, kind of just like exactly how I did this couch. But on this side, there is arms. So it just kind of depends on what angle you're looking at it from. But I have not sat on it yet. And there was no reviews on this couch. So this could be the most uncomfortable thing ever and we would never know. But honestly, it can't be as bad as this one. This one, it's not like it's rock solid or anything like that. It's just that every time you sit on it, yep, these slide all the time. Like if you ever just want to relax, it's just so annoying. So hopefully this is a different story. First impressions of the couch. Wait, why is this actually comfy? And like here, this is actually so comfy, especially this corner. Being able to rest up on the corner of the couch is something that I never thought that I would ever like miss or appreciate. But I haven't been able to do this in so long because of the aesthetic of the, wow. I can really imagine myself just sitting here. This is nice. Okay. And I think my favorite part is that the covers are removable. You guys can see here there's a zipper. It's the same thing as that one as well. My mom washed it, but it's so nice being able to just wash your couch whenever you want. Camera's currently 3:40. I decided to finally get up off my ass and wash my face, maybe to like feel clean. I'm gonna show you guys what the living room looks like and then the TV room because I finished that up, but I'm gonna remove my makeup and hopefully it'll make me feel better to have like a clean start with the day. Because not gonna lie, the days have just been flying by like crazy. In my bathroom, yeah, it's a mess. This Tatcha cleanser has been my favorite cleanser for the past month and it's so good. Oh, I already do feel so much better, not gonna lie. You'll feel like shit, just like wash your face. So this is my first time using this oven, so I didn't realize how strong this was compared to my microwave oven in my last apartment. But the broccoli ain't looking too cute. But the salmon looks a little bit of juice. Deliciosa. This Dyson has been sitting in this box for literally since the day I moved in, and I just haven't opened it because I've been meaning to vlog it. And I've been saying, oh, I'm gonna open it, and I never do, but today is the day. I bought the rug, it came in, I've just been too lazy to set it up, but today's the day. Oh, guys, this is like my dream vacuum. Ever since the day I moved out, I've always wanted a Dyson. This is like the new and like upgraded version. Oh my God, this looks so futuristic. Wow, there are so many different heads. There's another one. Like, what is this? There's too many things to keep up with. Laser detect for what? Oh, oh my God, this go crazy. Damn, this was definitely worth the money and I haven't even used it yet. Y'all, I'm so excited. I just did one like little bullshit walk through the house and look at how much shit this collected up. It's literally full. Like when I use it, I can literally feel it suctioning the fucking ground. This is crazy. You can literally see all of my hairs and shit.
In the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla, too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt, girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her, hey, I'm thinking I should've rest, all night long, she putting me to the test, got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest.